welcome to another affiliate mentor review, guys. It's an affiliate product that allow you guys to make some money online, even if you're new. Where I'm gonna start off in this training is simply the biggest elephant in the room is how do I get the sales, right? So we use these platforms that we're using every day, and just scrolling. So for example, you see I'm speaking in these videos, so you can get on here and speak about it, and you'll be able to see examples on learning how to speak about it. But it's really simple. There's people out there that want to make money. There's people out there that need to learn how to make money. This software shows you how to do both. It's only 25 bucks. There's really no L. This is less than you're paying to go eat. So it's really a no-brainer. But if I'm not speaking in the video, what I use is softwares like ChatGPT, which is a $20 a month fee. That's it. So instead of paying for all these other streaming services, go get you ChatGPT where you can make images with their image maker. So I'll take this image, right? And I'll plug it in here. And I'll say something like, hey, you're one decision away from the month you praise for. Don't stall. So this time next month, you can be celebrating or complaining. Your call. I was broke and exhausted. One video changed how I move. Drop info if you're done guessing. Few likes. Like I said, every video is not going to hit it out the park, but staying on it every day and letting people realize, like, hey, I'm either just picking up my phone and recording for zero costs and letting people know something that they already need is available. Or I'm using ChatGPT Pro and I'm literally, and then the flip side, let's actually go back. I'm actually using ChatGPT to say, hey, make me, let's go up and actually scroll on one. I'm actually saying, hey, make me something. Let's go look. Hey, my answer is, it's pretty much saying what I look like. Hey, I want it to look like this. Make me a prompt that says this. Does this. Oh, here's the prompt. I copy it and I go to their third-party software and I post it in here and I click upload and it makes stuff like this. And I'll show you this as well because you're going to get added in my AI Academy for free. And I show you this. And then the link that I offer to people when they say, hey, I want to make some money is Affiliate Mentor, which our Spark product, you see right here, we're filling this matrix up. Every time this matrix is filled up with referrals, it pays you, right? Every time you cycle is what we call cycle. When you fill it up, it cycles and starts over. You unlock a new education. Here's AI launch secrets. That's going to show you some key, fast, quick stuff on how to make money on social media using AI. And you're going to get added into my academy for free. And it only costs you $25. If you want ChatGPT, I'm not an affiliate of ChatGPT. We'll show you how to go to ChatGPT, purchase that for $20 a month. Wow, 2 softwares. Now you're able to make money. This pays weekly, right? So guys, it's really that simple on how to make money online. The reason why I love this style, because you'll see other forms of income. I don't mind waiting to have to get 6 spots, because if you look closely on this matrix, my sponsor is this person. If you look at some of my spots on here, I didn't sponsor some of these people, right? Meaning I technically don't have to get 6 people to make money. My sponsor is referring people and they're still showing up in my money. So that's why I picked this for new people, because you don't want to have to go out there and just eat what you kill and you don't know what you're doing and it takes you forever. Like, I'll get 6 people on this matrix before people can get 2 people into something else. You see what I'm saying? With this style. So this is why I feel like everyone would love this. If this goes viral, imagine how many people will eat off of just my work. So that's what's so amazing about this. And when you cycle, for example, say you brought me into this business, I fill these spots up, I cycle, you get paid $25 as well. And then we're going to upgrade after a while of me seeing people getting results. We're going to upgrade to the VIP club, and this matrix is $297 a year, but it pays out $500 per cycle. So, hey, this is where we're focused on. This is, to me, one of the best things. You see how simple it is, guys? A few clicks of a button, easy to maneuver, easy to look around. You can see some of my stats, since launching this, few leads, 2 sales right away. And this has been amazing. I'm only literally running this with Reels. Like, I'm not doing any of my other things or in YouTube. So guys, all the information will be in the description. You want to hop on this before it's viral. And even if it's viral, still hop on it because it's still going to be working.